Okay, here we go with another 7x7 KenKen. So fill in the constant ones. That has to be 7-1. So this is a 25 by 6, so it has to be 5, 6, 5. And then this is 4, 2. That's what's left. Let's see. Don't know about that one. That's going to be 6, 4. Okay, let's see. So if this is 1, 3 in this top row, that the total is, that's 4 and 9 is 4 and 5 is 9, 18, 35, including this. But this total is 28. So that would make this 7. And if this was any higher, if it was 2, 4 or something, it would be impossible to have, you couldn't put a high enough number in here to get this down to 28. So this has to be 7, and that has to be 1, 3. And then this can be 2, 7, 3, 6, or 4, 5, so it's got to be 2, 7. That's all that's left, and then that leaves 6, 4 for this. Okay, let's look at this column. Okay, in this column, the only place the 5 can go is here. So we'll fill that in. And then in this column, the 7 can't go here, because that would make the total much more than 11, and the 5 can't go here because it would be in the same row. That would also make the total too high. So 7 and 5 have to be distributed between these two. Let's see, if this is, the 5's here, that's 5, 2, and then the 7 goes here, which makes it 7, 5, so that won't work, because there'd be 5 in 2 places, so the 7 has to go here, in 7, 4, and then the 5 would go here, it can't be 5, 7, so it has to be 5, 3. And then, okay, so that makes this 6, 4, because the 4 knocks that out of the way. And this can't be 1, 4, it's got to be 2, 3. There's a 3 there, so it's 2, 3. And this is 1, 6. And this is 2. That leaves these two squares totaling 4, which has to be 1, 3. So then this is 2, 4. So you have 2, 4, 5. The remainders are, the ones left are 1, 3, 6, and 7. The only ones can satisfy the 1 gap are 6 and 7. And this has to be 1 or 3, but there's nothing to indicate that. Okay, this 60 can be 2, 6, 5 or 3, 4, 5, but the 3 is u, so it's got to be 2, 6, 5. That makes this 2 has to go over here, so it's 2, 7, and this is 4 remaining. You got 2 and 3 left in this row, so it's got to be 3. That's 2. Okay, so we have to total another thing. Okay, this is, let's see, it's 6, 20, 26, and 13 is 39, and this is 11, making it 50, and 2 rows is equal to 56, so these two have to equal 6, and the only way that can happen is if you have a 5 here, and a 1 here, and then the means the 3 has to go here. So the, what's left? 3 is here. So that's 1 and 3 then. And then the 7 is what's left. And this has to equal 10, which is 6 and 4, so that's right. Let's see, here we have 2, 6, 5. 2 and 6 are here, so that's got to be 5, and then 6 because of that 2. And then 2, and then the 4 has to go there because the 6 is there, and then the 7, 4, is now 7 there and 4 there. Let's see, in this row you have 1 and 5 left. So that equals 8. So this, to make the 15, that's got to be 7. So this is 1, and the 7 has to go down there. Then the 5 is here. There's 5 left to make 10, so it's 4 and 1. Okay, we're going to have to unwind this whole thing. Okay, so let's see. You got 5. It's making 5, 1, and then the 4, 1 goes like that. And then the 6, 4 goes like that. And then the 7, 6 goes like that. And we are done.